welcome back to my channel. So I want to apologize now. In the background you will be hearing my kids and maybe some TV. Mom life, that's how it is. Alright, now if you like this video so far, please give it a like and subscribe, and now on to the rest of the video. So for this video I'm reviewing the Insta Natural Youth Express Eye Gel. I received this product for free, so I must put that disclaimer there. I don't know if you can really see it because of this lighting. Go. It has Matrixyl 3000, peptide complex, plant stem cells, amino acid complex. It is an all natural organic brand. It is cruelty free. I'll put a link down below where you can get this. Hey, so my daughter wanted to be in the video. This is her crazy morning hair. So let's read a little bit about Insta Natural. Our Youth Express Eye Gel is a lightweight treatment designed to lift and restore firmness to the eye area. Oh, she wants to go. Treatment designed to lift and restore firmness to the eye area. Our formula features Matrixyl 3000, a powerful peptide that visibly reduces fine lines and crow's feet. In addition to jojoba oil, I love jojoba oil, plant stem cells and amino acids to hydrate and strengthen the skin to defend against early signs of aging. So although I'm only 29, I'm going to be 30. This is a time where you need to start worrying about this. Although I'm Latina, I'm not sure if I'm gonna age as quickly, but you never know. Everyone in my family looks young all the time, but you could be that one person who ages quicker. This is a little bit more about it. If you want to pause and read that. These are the ingredients. If you want to pause and read that. So far, I like it. Like, this is what my eyes look like. I just applied it. You saw in the previous clip of the video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Bye now.